Hi everybody. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to replace a glass cooktop. So mine's pretty scratched up. It's got a gouge in the surface and it's cracked on the side. So it really needs replacing. Let's get into the house. Well, first let me turn off the breaker. It's like right here. There we go. Let's get into the house now and replace the glass cooktop. I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel.
Okay, so first we have to get into this electrical box. Oh, that was unexpected. So let's remove these wire nuts. The power's off in the electrical box. Yeah, and then this ground wire. And there you go. All right, now we're going to gently pry up on this glass. You don't want to put too much pressure on it. You can just kind of get this loose around all the sides, and then we come in and take it out by hand. Yeah, here we go. Now, let's flip this over upside down. And let's clean up all this mess. I'm using a putty knife here. Just be super careful not to scratch your kitchen counter. Yeah, and now coming in with Windex. Kind of loosen everything up. And then let's wipe this down with paper towel. Now I'm using my garage towels again, just to keep from scratching the new surface on this new cooktop. These are number 20 Torx driver, and let's start speeding this up. Yeah, we can take all these covers off. Collect all your screws, and then let's remove the electrical stuff. Yeah, we'll speed this up too. Now, there are star washers underneath these electrical pads. Yeah, here you can see them. They help make a solid electrical connection. And now let's remove this back cover. Now I'm coming in with a power driver. Now you can always use power drivers to remove screws. This helps speed up the process. But make sure that you never use power devices when you're attaching screws. Sometimes they'll strip out if it's over torquing. So yeah, make sure that you don't use a power device, just use hand tools. Now I'm removing the circuit board. I'm just trying to make sure that I get everything disconnected from the mechanical connections. Keep all of the wires connected. You don't want to get any of the connectors or wires mixed up. If you do disconnect the wires, make sure that you mark them. You can number them, put number 1 on the circuit board with a number 1 on the wire, or whatever helps you out. Now I'm coming in with these little stickers. This isolates the circuit board from the metal on the glass cooktop. Okay, now I'm bringing the cooktop closer so that we can transfer the components over. My wife's here helping me out. Yep, we can just lift everything up, bring everything over,
Oh.
right there,
Oh, these are our burners.
and then everything's in place.
Interesting.
And now we can start reassembling. Let's get these strain reliefs in here, and then get all these wires in place. Yeah, get everything straight and organized. And now I highly recommend using hand tools only when you're tightening devices. So let's speed this up a little bit. We can tighten all these screws down. If you guys like my content, please click that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, again, here I am using hand tools. And we can screw all these down. So make sure that you guys take pictures when you're disassembling so that you know where all the parts go. Just take a picture with your phone. You'll be able to go back and see exactly where everything belongs. I'm installing these hold-down brackets. This one's on the large burner. Yeah, and then this one's on the center burner. Now, make sure that the wires don't get caught underneath anything so that, you know, they'll short out. They'll get burned when the burner's on. So, yeah, make sure that you don't get anything underneath the brackets. And now we're reattaching the power connections. Here you go. Again, use hand tools only. Let me speed this up for you guys again. Now make sure you tighten down this ground wire. And then let's come back and reattach the back and the side panels. Always remember to keep your fasteners together. I like using this little bowl. It just keeps everything organized and helps me keep all my parts together. You can see I labeled this with an R. It's the right side panel. And I've got the left side on the other side there. So here we go. Let's get this installed. Be super careful. You don't want to chip the glass or scratch anything. Yeah, and just come in and tip the back and then drop the front in. My counter's got little notches in it for the 3 screws, so I have to slide this over to the left a little bit. I already reattached the wires underneath the cooktop and turned the power back on. Yeah, here it's all brand new. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end, guys. Really appreciate you. And we'll see you in the next one.